All right, let's talk about something that is absolutely non-negotiable for any HVAC business today, your website. And I'm not just talking about having a website. I'm talking about why a mobile-friendly site has gone from a nice-to-have to the absolute bedrock of your business growth.
So let me ask you something, and I want you to be really honest with yourself. Is it possible that your own website, the one you paid good money for, is actually losing you customers, like right now? It's a tough pill to swallow, but we've got to talk about it.
Okay, so to figure this out, we need to put ourselves in your customer's shoes, just for a second. Think about what happens the instant they have a problem. Where do they go? They're not running to a desktop computer, right? Nope, they're grabbing the phone that's right there in their pocket. I mean, picture this. It's the hottest day of the year and someone's AC just died, where it's freezing cold and the furnace is on the fritz. They are not booting up the old PC in the study. They are grabbing their phone, opening Google, and typing emergency AC repair near me. That right there, that's the moment of truth. And the data backs this up. Way more than half of all searches for local services like yours are happening on a smartphone. And this is where it gets real. You have seconds. Literally, just a few seconds. If that first impression on their little phone screen is bad, if your website is confusing or slow, they're gone. They hit back and they're on to the next company on the list. Just like that. You don't get a second chance. So what exactly is happening in those few seconds? Let's really dig into what that bad experience feels like for a potential customer who just landed on a site that's, well, not built for their phone. You see, this isn't just about tech stuff. It's about human behavior. A slow website isn't just a slow website. It's pure frustration for the user. That tiny text you have to pinch and zoom to read, that's the exact reason they give up and hit the back button. And trying to find a phone number that's buried somewhere, forget it. By the time they would have found it, they're already on the phone with your competitor. So, these are the usual suspects, right? The big 4 reasons people bail on a website. Slow load times, a layout that's all over the place, menus you can't figure out, and the big one, making it a treasure hunt just to find your contact info. Each one of these is like a roadblock you're putting in front of a paying customer. Okay, so a bad website annoys customers. We get that. But that's only half the story. There's a much bigger, kind of invisible problem happening behind the scenes. And this one can stop customers from ever finding you in the first place. And yeah, I'm talking about Google. This is a term you've got to know, mobile-first indexing. It sounds complicated, but it's really simple. A few years ago, Google would look at your desktop website to decide how to rank you. Not anymore. Now, the first thing it looks at, the most important version of your site, is the mobile version. To put it plainly, as far as Google is concerned, your mobile site is your website, period. And here's how that plays out in the real world, how a lead just vanishes into thin air. A homeowner searches for emergency AC repair. Google's little robots immediately go and check out your mobile site. They see it's slow and clunky. Boom, your ranking drops. And your competitor, who has a slick mobile site, slides right into that top spot and gets the call. You were invisible. The customer never even knew you existed. All right, that's enough doom and gloom. We know the problem. A bad mobile site is a customer repellent that makes you invisible to Google. So let's flip this around. How do we fix it? What's the path to actually getting more calls? Here it is. This is the playbook. And notice, it's not about crazy designs or fancy graphics. It's all about making it easy for the customer. It's got to load fast. You need huge, can't-miss-it click-to-call buttons. The navigation has to be dead simple. People need to find your services and your contact form without even thinking about it. And when you nail those basics, look what happens from the customer's point of view. Suddenly, they can call you with one tap. They can get a quote in like 30 seconds. They know instantly if you work in their neighborhood. You've removed all the hurdles. All the frustration is gone. All that's left is a super easy way to hire you. And really, that's what it all boils down to. It's human nature, right? We all take the easiest path. If you are the easiest HVAC company to get in touch with on a phone, you're going to be the one who gets the business. It's that simple. Okay, so let's boil all this down. If you remember nothing else from this, remember these 3 things. First things first, the game has changed. Your customers are looking for you on their phones. That's just a fact. If you're not meeting them where they are, you're missing out. Second, you have to play by Google's rules. And Google's #1 rule is mobile first. It's the gatekeeper. If your mobile site is bad, your ranking will be bad. There's no way around it. And last but not least, remember, this isn't some tech for tech's sake thing. This is about your bottom line. A great mobile site builds trust. and it directly leads to more phone calls, more jobs, and more money in your pocket. So I want to leave you with a challenge. Right now, pull out your phone, Google your own company, and be honest. Is what you see a welcoming front door for your business, or is it a dead end? Because the answer to that question could very well determine how much your business grows or doesn't in the next few years.